So, ma'am, you mentioned about the medicines, the injections which will have to give. Are there any side effects? Like,
The weight loss injection, these are like quite new thing to try. And as a doctor, we refrain from giving anything which is like harmful to our patients. So when semaglutide, or we usually call Ozempic, so it was used, there used to be nausea, a little bit loss of appetite, but more, overall major side effects have not been seen. These are the effects of any weight loss medication, but it works in a very different way where the insulin levels, the sugars don't go down. So there are not very high levels of hypoglycemic episodes. And little bit muscle loss also happens with the medication. That's where I don't advise weight loss medication for people who are average body mass index. These medications have to be used for people who have morbid obesity, body mass index more than 32. Their day-to-day life is getting affected. That is where these injections are very useful, and they have been considered to be safe. Now, so much of research is happening. We are using newer molecules. There are few uh, GLP-1 agonists who are not even having the side effect of nausea or vomiting as it was with the semaglutide. Yeah. So these molecules are being taken up by patients very comfortably. They reduce certain weight, and with this much weight loss, once their metabolism is kicked in, the rebound weight gain is also reduced with these medication. That is also important aspect. And when they are in a metabolically perfect way, we give at least a gap of 2 months before we move ahead for the fertility treatment, because we want the duct to be washed out from the body, and then we move ahead on doing the pregnancy treatment, because most important aspect of fertility planning, even if it is a natural pregnancy or weight loss or IVF pregnancy, whenever somebody is getting pregnant, their baseline body weight, their baseline metabolism will have a huge impact on their pregnancy journey, and pregnancy complication rate should be reduced.
that's perfect.